Siphinde sinibingelele kwikhaya TV2. Wena-ke uqalayo ukungena kuleli khasi, siyacela uba ucofe ibhathini subscribe khona uzohlezi uyithola iy'ndaba njengoba zinjalo. Ufihliwe-ke izolo umfana owalinyazwa omunye wabafundi esikoleni eKwazini Secondary School. Lapho-ke efihlwa khona eNgonyameni, lapho-ke ebekwe khona endlini yakhe yokugcina. Awukubukeke lamavidiyo alandelayo.
Siyabonga was born in Africa. Siyabonga died in Africa. Umkhonto wesizwe ukhona uzosikhulula. Siyabonga la uyakhona ufika ube idlozi. Siyabonga was born in Africa. Siyabonga died in Africa. We are struggling under GNU. We are saying Siyabonga go and fight. Siyabonga was born in Africa. Siyabonga died in Africa. Chrizane was born in Africa. Chrizane died in Africa. Sithi Mpokashanga ufika ube idlozi elihle emndenini. Mpokashanga ufika ube idlozi kumkhonto wesizwe. Mpokashanga ufika ubatshela oThambo, ubatshela oSisulu, ubatshela oMagaqa ukuthi ushiye sinjani. Siyabonga was born in Africa. Siyabonga died in Africa. Sithi ngaphansi kwe-GNU asikhululekile singabantu abamnyama. Siyabonga sicela ube yisibani. Siyabonga sicela ukhanyise Mpokashanga. Siyoba nawe kusasa ubatshele ukuthi ushiye sinjani osabona abatshele. Wonke amagerila oSigegu ubatshele oDanisa. Siyeza oDorothy Nyembe. Siyabonga was born in Africa. Siyabonga died in Africa.
Africa my beginning, Africa my end. They come from the west and into the east to generate the disease flowing from the Africa. Abundant one in our land. They claim to be friends when they found us friends. When a foreigner meets a foreigner, they fought for rain in Africa my beginning and Africa my end. They asked Mugabe, unamataka nini hapa wewe mdwanyi? He said, binadamu zote ni ndugu za Afrika. Nimefika ni rotation Jesus Zimbabwe. Wewe nini mwenyewe? Wewe in Africa my beginning and Africa my end. Africa my beginning, Africa my end. Yatobo was spoken in the language of God that they went away multitude and forget the heart behind. But later, it never started in Africa my beginning and Africa my ending. Africa my beginning, Africa my ending. As a near I come from the apartheid dictators in the land of sorrow, from the Marathon bondage, the Sharpeville massacre, the flames of Soweto. I was born and I will die there in Africa my beginning and Africa my ending. Come, comrade, come. Stop that racist exploiter who destroy mother, father, doctor, and son. That's why I say to you, come, comrade, come. When you come, we shall not smile. Destroy that injustice far. Apartheid is here for a while, and you are not far from us. Run, commander, run. We shall use those dump for toilet paper. We shall use those tear gas for bacon grill. We shall use those sun lamp for uncounter revolutionary. Run, commander, run. A lucha continua. Kosi yami, Kosi yami, Baba Kosi.